Let's talk Scentsy Laundry. I've taken the field trip into my laundry room so I can showcase and show you guys what I love about the Scentsy laundry line. Whenever I'm doing my laundry, I start out with my laundry liquid. That is our detergent. It is highly concentrated and of course, it's Scentsy, so it smells amazing. But my favorite product of the laundry line is our washer whiffs. So let me show you what these are. They are a salt crystal that is highly fragranced. So these are not going to clean your laundry, but they are going to add awesome, amazing fragrance that is long lasting. So that's both going to go in your washer. Of course, the laundry liquid is your detergent. The washer whiffs are going to go right on top of your dirty laundry to add that fragrance. Now, when you pop them in the dryer, you're gonna want one of these, a dryer disc. You're gonna throw it in the dryer with your clothes. It's gonna tumble around just like you would a fabric softener sheet or another drying product. But this can be reused over and over and over again. Again, it is highly fragranced. We are Scentsy, we're a fragrance company, so everything's gonna smell great. Pair those three things together and people are going to smell you when you walk into the room. Now, I grabbed this out of the bedroom. This is Scentsy Fresh. This is our fabric refresher for products that can't be tossed in that washing machine there. I love to use this when I make my bed in the morning. I spray down my pillows and my comforter with it. It's also great for furniture, for upholstery, for curtains, for dog beds. Anything that you can't toss right there easily in your washer, Scentsy Fresh is going to be what you want to use to fragrance those items. Scentsy Laundry Line, it's definitely worth checking out.